Hello everyone, today I'll teach you how to make a lining and attach it to the bag. I used lycra fabric, but you can use cotton fabric instead. It measures 41 centimeters by 56 centimeters. Bring another piece 22 by 35 centimeters. Place a large piece of fabric on the front side, then the small piece on top of it, front side to front side. Leave about 3 centimeters and then pin. On the small piece of fabric, leave about 2 centimeters, then make a mark. Also leave 2 centimeters on the sides and then make a rectangle measuring 18 centimeters by 1 centimeter. With scissors, cut the fabric from the middle. Then continue cutting, and before the end at the corner, leave half centimeter and cut towards the corner of the rectangle. Pull the small piece of fabric inwards and also this piece, then iron it. Place the zipper here and then secure it with thread or pins. Now pin and sew the pocket. I will make another pocket 13 centimeters long and 23 centimeters wide, then fold 1.5 centimeter on each side so its final length becomes 11 centimeter and its width 20 centimeters. I used Vaseline tape on each side. I just sewed this side, then bend it to the side opposite the zipper. And now sew only 3 sides. If you want a big bucket, skip this step. But I prefer to make two small buckets, so I'll make a line here and sew it. Now I'll add the back button on this side. Leave at least 4 or 5 centimeters and tuck it into the fabric. Do the same steps on the other side. Then sew the sides together and create a triangle. Mark it 8 centimeters apart and sew it. Repeat the same steps for the other side. Now I need a piece of heavy foam sheet paper to make the bag more sturdy. This piece about 28 centimeters wide and 52 centimeters long. And the 52 centimeters is divided into 21 plus 10 plus 21 centimeters. Fold it this way and then sew it. Do the same with the other side. Attach the lining to the foam sheet. Then sew this part. Do the same steps for the other side. Now put it inside the back and start sewing. Thanks for watching, and if you like the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment because this will help the channel to grow.